Special Olympics have, changed me a lot. It did. It has a big impact on the way I think about things, how I handle things, Yeah, kutumyo dama no more energy ra bia. Tia he's so hyper. Tia chita da ne pakura. Yeah. They bemu family event gathering bemu no bityo bemu che je bemu chicho tao na ma pa de ku hera. Tia ni nya chichu na. They what they you kind of frustrated because you know je tao sana. So I was talking to Guntawa Little like Kutame, I saw, getting me that. And then this summer, Charlie, 5 play sports, nah? He would do really good. And then they go, Jenna was Special Olympics, nah? I was just like, what you don't know, nah? Then the Peku, it's a hot program in China. And then she knows some people who volunteer, so. Nếu mua sao tôi được cú nhỉ cú muốn chỉ hesitate thế cú muốn chỉ try mà khó đi bây giờ tiền để hát chỉ về nhớ trả được một play đây nhớ trả một trả nó có nếu mua cổ blog sao á và nếu mua cổ blog sao đó thì nếu trong cổ từ bên nhỏ nó có mua xa xong xí nè chỉ cho cú mà nếu nhà cú từ bên á thế rồi nếu như bên ai hết đó. So very protective of Nuna. I found that courage with I said we're gonna try, so I just tried the ball, so the homo, and then that's how we learn. Okay, good time show now, but yeah, cú sai tiêu, cú muốn đi cho một play soccer. Because cú tuần sai theo cú tuần go play soccer đó vậy. So when tuần này cú mới sát tông cú mà thế đó là lại theo bị chỉ tông mua ít thì mày cho mày ra. Thế đó là mua swimming vậy. Okay? So cú đó là chỉ mua swimming, sự cho nó bộ cả nó mua thế mà còn beach ball ở đây là vậy. Beach ball swimming vậy. So cú chân try để cũng trao iPod on the phone talking to them. Give it a try. They're really good about lấy có một gì mà họ lấy cho cái khen là lấy cái khen là right. So cứ thế okay, cái gì mà cũng mà try. They want to sign up. They know chắc chắn know first me na. They cũng tụi mình nên chỉ tao một day before swimming pool vậy đấy before na. They muốn thế đó gì nếu mà nó rồi từ coach muốn để cho là chị thằng tây mà nữ sinh chỉ bảo là đó là má mặc khen nữa đó chị là cái khen nữa tàu open week each hour each week for open week nè chị từ coach nữ hay từ swimming instructor hay nè chị nữ hay được qua there because các tụi mình để chỉ cho bảo này đó chị cũng như bảo để cũng khen để bảo nữa nè em cũng ít có free session hoặc cái khen là mà cũng charge để cho tin này đã chỉ có đủ là chỉ có cho được tua thế nào, em mà mua can of free thế nào, so I took him to those lessons at her house, so nếu mà cái lesson đó ta theo he kept on practicing, ở như nói cho nó practice để cho chơi vào competition á, nếu chỉ cái hệ thế đó chỉ để sử dụng ở call competition này, ở call relay này, so that was the first time to where I cú bỏ cái tiền cho tin đi và lấy lão coach lấy volunteer lấy coach là lúc xưa nhưng cái bao lấy những sự ba cái tiền á, so it opens my eyes and I saw so much good, and then that she know that he's the only one in my family who knows how to swim. We don't know how, but he does. So that was the very first sport that he did, and it made me a believer that there is so much good. He could do anything. So after hot season over and up, and then the next season came, I signed him up for basketball and bowling. So I signed him up for both. This is about competition. Okay, bowling suit no. So we did it to where he was learning 2 things, but he only went to 1 competition. So from that point on, I mean, like, that was like, I like the big family one. Don't buy a new logic here, new make friends here, new interact, new job buddies here, and then they go out together too. So, there was a lot of good in that. The sports that he played, swimming, basketball, bowling, ski, volleyball, tag football. Okay, there are a couple of others, but then because sometimes you have to in the Hmong community, gatherings, family gatherings, he doesn't get to really interact with socially with people. Have to interact on that, and so he doesn't get that. But then play Special Olympics and practice. He gets to make friends with the other athletes. He gets to interact with them. He gets to build relationships with them. Okay, where he didn't get that, from our Hmong community. And didn't let you shine it to and the athlete, the family law, they're so loving towards him. He doesn't get that. The other thing is that, he doesn't know it, but I know he's practicing independence and responsibilities and how to act in public and appropriately act, with people now. Because like, usually, so they don't get that. And even though I tried to take him out into our Hmong community, I was getting to where I feel so isolated. I feel like he was so isolated. So, this thing is an outlet for him for all these things that I just described earlier. Special Olympics have, changed me a lot. It did. It has a big impact on the way I think about things, how I handle things, For one, sometimes you think that, it's not like that. People from different counties within North Carolina, they all come together to do that competition together. So we meet like different peoples, and different peoples with different disabilities too. So, every time I go, I learn something new. The other thing is, especially they do a lot because they really want to do, to help. So, the kindness, the hours, the extra work, didn't volunteer for big job athlete, or big job athlete like your family and Special Olympics, it's hard to good network, they could get good resource. So good had your parent there, your support because the big job no community for example, to minyon da event you big job you so what are you more stress now. To share you so Special Olympics lần nhé được cho mình nhỏ là cho tin nên và nữ tôi plan là mua family nữ tôi sẽ không là thế nào thì thôi you muốn cho là cho family thế friend là cho là chị you share both plan then we could talk about our families you know so they share resource nào bây giờ they share experiences thế they share hay thế okay cú sẽ share nó ta là nữ chỉ cho word được cú là cú sẽ share nó ta là nữ word trong cú đó là and nếu mà có sẽ hay được cú thì okay I could relax he's taken care of cú you know cú chỉ thà những nhiều share all the time because you know sometimes you just need that little time just to you know chill out a little bit and the most important thing that may impact you as a parent is go open you okay go open you to each other ne go nữ chưa có cho mong sự nào thế là chỉ nữ mua tiền nhà mà chỉ nữ share the common things cho con thế là chỉ tận được go open you to cho coach cho volunteer you know so they're just people within your community so that's important to me as a family as a whole it brings us together much closer because you know as a family tụi mình nhận thấy chuyện này rồi nhận thấy chuyện cái chuyện tao muốn sẽ hợp là cho auto eat thích thật địa chỉ lúc auto eat bảo lý lúc nữa but they don't understand that need có attention cha những lúc nhà thì đó là it's just a different attention bên một trong competition every season day nhà thảo luận competition day is usually bên nó là Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Well, it's all paid for, so for the athlete and the team. So you have to pay your support, tell me sure pay more as a family. So for many years, with my kids, when they're not as grown right now, and they still, my older two kids still like me and my husband, we go as a family. And then and then we'll go and stay at the hotel, and it's a job day. Game after the game over now they have dance they go eat dinner and they do a lot with their teams to game over day kid on the we go eat out and then we just bond you know we just go do stuff together on our own and then the next morning we all go see the game so it's kind of like we go and support him but yet we're still having our separate time without him bonding. So that's one of the really good thing about these competition. And now that my kids are, my other two kids, they don't like us no more. It would just be me and my husband. We go competition day by Shonutana. Day after Lamu dance, it's our time together. They have chaperones, and you know they're with their team, so they know each other. So you know I know he's taken care of, and it teaches him about independence, where he doesn't need me all the time. I don't have to be there all the time. And he could just go and have fun with his team, being independent and also learning, you know, these important life skills, you know, that he's going to need. You have to know more. Everybody is Special Olympics nó nữ sẽ chỉ có sao chi nào, okay? Nữ đâu sẽ là đâu họ lấy muốn để tax money là what they know đó, so yeah hay thì you know como itu tiene có nuôi nữ sẽ khá là vậy có tụi nhỏ sẽ khá là có kia sự mua they know đó because nữ sẽ chỉ lấy mua lấy gì cho là ba đó, okay? So for now ya lo what đâu có vậy nhưng mà cái cashier nữa, you tụi nhỏ chơi you lu mà you try that no one ever get to more thế tức thì bây giờ mua tàu mua lấy xin sợ phá của ông là thật đó nè cứ tụi mình chỉ tao cho mò thế nên sẽ sửa bây giờ mình ở trong hệ touch and try, okay? You at least have to try it. You know, try it.